for today's video. Ilaban natin to, guys. Rawag City Church Bell Tower. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Lagi tayong napupunan. Punta na kami ng, saan naman tayo next? Paway. Paway for the sand.
My way, taking over like a tidal wave. My way, I'm never turning back, no shame. This is my life and I'll take the reins. Gonna do it my way, yeah. My way, lighting up the sky, night like flame. Every time we down.
Kawawa naman si Santa. Ang payat na niya.
Nag-order na kayo doon? Okay lang. Oh,
Yes.
pili lang kami ng kape. Coffee.
Ayun. Is that mine?
Order na kami doon ah.
Ano po? Wala kayong juice?
Fair. Sarap.
Ayun, mga riders.
Tingnan ano sa'yo.
Wait, I'm gonna taste first.
Patikin mo sa'yo. Tingin.
Very nice. Tingnan siya. Ang tamis.
Hazelnut yun.
Pero kaya lang.
Yung pinadagdagan ko ng extra shot. But I like it. I like it.
Iba yung feeling kapag nakapag-coffee sa umaga. Kahapon parang ano sila, parang wala nga tuloy pa nag-coffee. Kahit madaling araw, prone na. Ay, prone. Ano tawag? Immune. Immune na pala. Mali. Don empanada. On empanada, double longganisa. Parang double longganisa ako.
Ako din to, double yung ganyan siya na lang.
Siyempre kapag nasa Ilocos ka, hindi pwedeng walang empanada.
Ang double yung ganyan siya, may itlog.
Ay, saan ba? Dito po ba? Ay,
Ay,
dito pala kay ate.
Sa ganun lang siya.
Stress Cafe. Fairness, masarap yung coffee nila. Matapang, no?
Kaya ka ipaglaban.
Kaping kaya kang ipaglaban. Sana all.
Oh, we're flying high underneath the sky. Summer nights and days in so many ways. Open roads ahead, wind in our hair, colors turning red, no more need to care. Oh.
Sobrang ganda. Ganda. Church of Paway. It was founded in 1593 and it was used as a watchtower ng mga Katipuneros during the revolution. I think, if I'm not mistaken, no, during the Japanese colony. So, let me know kung may mali sa sinabi ko, but based on what we've read, meron kasi dito parang sa Poway Church, like an historical installation, no, about Poway Church. So, grabe, sobrang tagal na niya. Pero grabe, naingatan pa rin siya, maybe ng mga tao. And, yeah. So, ang galing how it was maintained by the people kasi it's very historical. And dun maganda talaga mga Filipinos, no? Preserving the culture, the history. Grabe lakas ng hangin. So, papunta kami ngayon sa
Purpuran Rock Formation!
kaya pa tayo nandito.
Ay, ba?
Doon sa area kung saan may mga ano to? Madaming rock formation.
Sorry.
Madaming rock formation. So, medyo mahaba-haba
Alam
ang
nyo guys, what's
kanilang
amazing? Kapag ka nasa tabing dagat ka, right now, it's already around 3 p.m. No? So, supposedly mainit siya. Because of the breeze, hindi mo ramdam yung init. And it's a perfect spot, perfect location. Yes. Kasi the air, you know, the wind never stops flowing. Nakaka-produce ka talaga ng energy. No? Kaya I suggest, if magkaroon kayo ng chance to go here, kung hindi matakot sa init, just put on a sunblock and then take this path, no? Kasi hindi ka naman maiinitan. Kailangan magmadali pag naglalakad ka para hindi ka rin mapagod, di ba?
fairness nga.
So yun lang guys, hope you can visit this place. It's really nice here.
My way, taking over like a tidal wave. My way, I'm never turning back, no shame. This is my life, and I'll take the reins. Gonna do it my way, yeah, yeah, yeah. My way, lighting up the sky, and I life flames. Every time they doubt it, I broke through the noise. Living for myself, I finally found my voice. They can try to push, but I won't bend.
Hotel Sleepers Lifesaver. Here's a quick tour of our accommodation dito sa Pagudpod. Yan. Very cozy. Tapos, ito yung sa kitchen / dining area. And meron na ready na mga utensils and mga basic appliances. Stove, cooking utensils, super clean. May water dispenser na rin. Then, kakad mo na sa stairs. After a long day, day 2 is tiring day. Are you tired, love?
A little.
Happy pagod, right?
Yeah.
Happy stress. Finally done.